Hello there! On this video I'm going to show you how I decorate my digital planner for the month of August. The theme for this month's layout is Under the Sea. I wanted the pages of the planner to look like they were underwater with beautiful pastel colors. All the stickers that I'm using on this video will be listed in the description box. In the description box, you can find my tutorials to learn how to decorate your digital planner with fonts, printables, and stickers. The daily tracker that I use for my July setup helped me stay on top of everything. For this daily tracker, I'm trying to break everything I need to do throughout the day into sections. I love adding little details to the stickers in my layouts. To me, the little details make a big difference in any blank page. For these two pages, I'm going to take a screenshot of the planner, crop the borders, and decorate the pages using the Procreate app. When I finish decorating the pages of the planner, I save the design as an image and add the image back into the GoodNotes app. On this page, I'm going to break down my productivity tracker into weeks. My brain feels less overwhelmed with tasks when I separate them throughout the month. I try not to spend too much time decorating a specific layout. I get more ideas as I decorate different sections of my planner. In the description box, I will link a tutorial to learn how to use the Procreate app to decorate the pages of your planner. In my blog, I have the savings tracker and the mood tracker as free downloads. Check the description box for all my free printables. You can practice your lettering in the GoodNotes app. It might not be as smooth as in the Procreate app, but I think GoodNotes does a good job with my lettering printable. Every month, I write a different quote from a book or a TV series that I'm watching, and I like to add it to my favorite quotes page. Here is the final preview of my August digital planner layout.